Hi, in this new video tutorial, I show you how to make this cool effect in Photoshop. Let's get started. To get a better result, I suggest you to cut out your subject. To do that, I use the object selection tool. For this tutorial, I will not cut out my subject perfectly. Now I'll show you what filters we need. The first is levels. We will use this effect to better change the effect of the subject, but before proceeding, make sure that the face is well lit. Adjust the values until the skin is white. The next filter will be needed to give the color of the thermal imager. Select Gradient Map. The color scheme is very easy. The first color is blue. The second is green. The third is yellow. The fourth is red. And the last color is black. Make sure the red is very close to black. Now we have to add 2 curve levels. Edit the highlights by lowering them. In this way you can edit the parts of your image that should be cold, such as clothes. Invert the layer mask, making it black. With a white brush you can then apply the effect where needed. Create another curves layer, but in this case modify the shadows by raising them. Invert the layer mask. In this way you can edit the body parts of your image. Now go back to the layers filter, correct your image to make the black parts disappear. It is not wrong that they are there, but it would give an extreme effect. With the levels filter, modify the values until you have a red skin, while clothes and blue hair. Do not worry if the result is not homogeneous. With the 2 curves created previously, you can adjust the parts that do not fit. Select the layer mask and the brush and color the parts that need to be adjusted. In the next part I show you which photos are best suited to this type of filter, and which are not, and for what reason. In this part of the tutorial, I'll explain which photo is good for this effect and which one is not recommended. This is because the boy's face is evenly lit, while the girl's face is half in a little shadow. So by activating the filter, you will see the difference. The photo of the girl has her face half red and half green, while the boy's face is all red. My advice is to use this filter on photos that have good homogeneous lighting, without parts of the face in shadow, because it is much easier to correct. Obviously this filter is also fine on the second photo, but you need a bit of effort to fix the effect. Obviously both photos are great, but to be honest the first photo is more compatible with this filter. As you can see, it can be challenging to fix the shaded part, also because detailed parts such as the eyebrows or eyes should not be red, but of a yellow or green hue. So if you want to use this effect on your works, consider this difficulty when making your photos. Thanks for following me to the end. I hope this video was helpful. Leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so as not to miss other upcoming content.